Looking to send money internationally, Sendwave and Remitly are two of the top players in the game. But which one is right for you? In this quick video, we'll compare the pros, cons, and fees to help you choose the best option. And for now, let's dive in. Overview. First, a quick overview. Sendwave is a mobile-first remittance app focused on simplicity and low fees, especially for sending money to Africa, Asia, and the Caribbean. Remitly is a larger, more global service that supports over 100 countries and offers multiple delivery options like bank deposits, cash pickup, and mobile wallets. Fees and exchange rates. When it comes to fees, Sendwave typically doesn't charge a transfer fee for most countries. However, they make money from the exchange rate markup, which is generally competitive but can vary by destination. Remitly offers two speed options: economy, cheaper, takes a few days, and express, faster but more expensive. Fees with Remitly depend on the amount, destination, payment method, and delivery type. And exchange rates can be slightly worse on faster transfers. On a screen comparison chart. Pros. Here are some pros of each platform. Sendwave pros. No transfer fees. Super easy app for quick sends. Great for sending small amounts to select countries. Remitly pros. Supports more countries, offers both low cost and fast transfers, more delivery options like cash pickup and mobile money. So if simplicity is your goal, Sendwave shines. If flexibility and global reach matter more, Remitly might be the better choice. Cons. Now give a small space for the cons. Remitly cons include: it can get pricey with express transfers, complex fee structure, and exchange rates fluctuate more depending on method. Sendwave cons: limited country coverage, only works via the app, no cash pickup options. Now, after all this information, you might ask yourself, which one is better? If you are sending money to countries like Nigeria, Ghana, or Bangladesh and want fast, no-fuss transfers with zero fees, Sendwave is a solid pick. But if you need flexibility, support for a wider range of countries, or cash pickup, Remitly gives you more options, even if it may cost a bit more. Whichever you choose, always compare exchange rates before sending. And my personal advice is to try both and see which one is cheaper to you. And that's all for today's comparison. Please subscribe, give us a like because this really matters, and thank you for watching.